Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back friends. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Planner. I'm going to be planning for the week of Monday, September the 14th through Sunday, September the 20th. I have quite a few things to make sure I get done this week. I've already written in one thing so I don't forget. And I'm just going to do a nice layout using the Happy Planner Glam Girl collection. So this collection has a lot of purple in it, so I think it will be great to use with this particular planner. So we're going to open it up and get started. And I think I want to start off with this cute top 3 sticker here, and I'm actually going to layer that with this purple one here in the corner as well. I want to put down, I'll put this over in the corner for a second. I want to put this in a way where it will cover up the calendar. And then I'm just going to layer the turquoise one underneath it. And I did see a couple of asterisks inside, so I think I'm going to use those. But actually, before I get to that, I do really love these cute little XO stickers. So I'm going to grab my tweezers and add one of them at the bottom. I think I'm going to go with the black here actually, because that's really cute. And then let me find an asterisk to put here at the top. So actually, I think I might try to get 2 in that corner. 1 here and 1 here. Okay. And then I want to put a little bit of decor on the other side. I wanted to try to do more of a purple and turquoise theme here, so I'm looking through to see exactly what I want to include. Those little dots are super cute. I think I'm going to put a couple of those toward the top. That there. And that there. I really do like this one. That's actually really cute. So I think I'm going to add that there. I think I'm going to just stick with adding some of the shoes to my spread. I want to put these here. And then the purple ones up top. And then I'm actually going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm going to put the turquoise ones on the bottom, and then the purple ones closer to the top. And then I think I'm going to go back and get some asterisks to put on this side to match up. See this little header here? Be a nice way to bring the blue on that side, and then I'm going to pull in more of those little asterisks on this side. So 1 there, there. Alright, so that is perfect. Now the next thing I want to do is actually pull in my boxes, my steps and scales, and all the things I use to kind of round out my days for the week. Oh, and you know what I just realized? I did not put in my headers. That's what I normally do first. I'm doing all this decorating and I haven't even put in my different sections. So let me actually go back and do that first. And I'm actually going to do it for all the days, so that I'll just already have it done as I decorate the rest of the week. So those are my different sections for the week. Now I'm going to look at appointments that I have throughout the week. So I know right off the bat I have appointments for Monday and Tuesday. I also use my work from home stickers. I also need my scales and my steps for the week. So I'm going to use these purple scales. So those are my Monday, Tuesday pages for this pay period, and I really do like the way that this turned out and the theme with the purple and teal. It really turned out very nice. So I'm going to turn now to Wednesday, Thursday, figure out what my next spread is going to be. I think for this one I want to pull in some pink. Okay, so right away I see this really pretty cute lipstick sticker, and I'm thinking this would be a great cover for the calendar and a great way to start the spread. So I think that is as much decorating as I want to do for that one. I do want to include my work from home stickers though. And that is my Wednesday, Thursday spread. Really very feminine and very cute. Last but definitely not least, I'm going to do my weekend spread, and that's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so I'm going to kind of layer these two stickers. First, I'll start with the cosmetic brushes. And then I'm going to use my phrase sticker, and I want to make sure most of the cosmetic stickers are showing, so I'll leave it like that. And I think that's it as far as decorations for this spread. Okay, so those are my two appointments for Friday. Now I need to add in my scales and dots, and I'll be done. And that is it for this spread as well. I really do like it. So let me actually go back to Monday. So this is my Monday, Tuesday spread, and I really do love the purple and teal theme here. And then Wednesday, Thursday is more of a pink and red theme. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday is a purple and pink theme. So I think these all turned out really chic and very cute. I hope that you enjoyed this planning session with me. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!